Now voice is clear, board is also clear. Both the things are there. Yes, now let us start. Exercise 4E. Yes, mute the microphone. Exercise 4E. Now exercise 1 to 3, they are simple problem based on expansion. A plus B plus C whole square. So exercise 1 to 3, question I had given homework, they are simple. You can solve by your own. Such type of problems are not expected in board. So exercise 4 onwards, we start solving. This 4, you can mark important. Fourth one, simplify x square minus y square whole cube plus y square minus z square whole cube plus z square minus x square whole cube upon x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube. So this we have to simplify. So let us solve this. In this I will use the result. If a plus b plus c is 0, a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3 into a into b into c. If a plus b plus c is 0, a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. This result I will be using. A plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. Is it clear? This result I will be using. If a plus b plus c is 0, then cube of a plus cube of b plus cube of c is equal to 3 into abc. A into b into c. Same result I will use. I will check whether x square minus y square, what I will do, see, this I will take as a, x square minus y square as a, let a is equal to x square minus y square, b is equal to y square minus z square, and c is equal to z square minus x square. A is equal to x square minus y square, b is equal to y square minus z square, c is equal to z square minus x square. Numerator. Then denominator. Yes. No, this, see, this is not given. This is the result which we have already used. In exercise 4D, we have used the result. If a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. This result we have already proved in exercise 4D. Now I will be using this result, that if a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. So I will take numerator, this bracket part as a, this as b, this as c. Then denominator I will take, let L is equal to x minus y. This bracket part of denominator x minus y, L, then m is equal to y minus z, and n is equal to z minus x. This numerator I will take a, b, c. Then denominator I will take L, M, N, and use the same result. This is important. Now I will check whether a plus b plus c is 0 or not. So a plus b plus c, what is a plus b plus c? X square minus y square a plus y square minus z square b plus c z square minus x square. A plus b plus c. Yes, now minus y square plus y square get cancelled, minus z square plus z square get cancelled, x square minus x square get cancelled. Yes, so this is 0. A plus b plus c is 0. A plus b plus c is 0. Similarly, I will check whether L plus m plus n is 0, denominator. So I will, Now I will check whether L plus M plus N is 0. Yes, that will see. L plus M plus N is 0. That will check. So L is x minus y plus y minus z plus z minus x. Y get cancelled, z get cancelled, x's get cancelled. So L plus M plus N is 0. L plus M plus N is 0. L plus M plus N is 0. A plus B plus C is 0. Yes. Now A plus, yes. A plus B plus C is 0. And N plus, yes. Wait. L plus M plus N is also 0. I have added. Now let me find the value of this. So now I will use the result. I will use this result. So A plus B plus C is 0. A plus B plus C is 0. That implies AQ plus BQ plus CQ is 3ABC. Yes. AQ plus BQ plus CQ is 3ABC. Implies, similarly, L plus M plus N is 0. Apply the same result. L plus M plus N is 0 means L cube plus M cube plus N cube is equal to 3 into L into M into N. 3 element. This result, by this result. So now I will find what is the value of that expression. So we are given x square minus y square cube plus y square minus z square cube plus z square minus x square cube upon okay, yes, right side. I have taken the numerator bracket A, B, C, denominator bracket L, M, N. Then we'll check whether A plus B plus C is 0. Yes. Then I will check whether L plus M plus N is 0. Yes. So A plus B plus C is 0. L plus M plus N is 0. So when A plus B plus C is 0, the result says that AQ plus BQ plus CQ will be 3ABC. Similarly, when L plus M plus N is 0, the result says that L cube plus M cube plus N cube is equal to 3 element. Now I will find. Yes. See there, A plus B plus C is 0 because minus y square plus y square get cancelled, minus z square plus z square get cancelled, x square minus x square get cancelled. Answer is 0. Similarly, L plus M is also 0. Minus y plus y get cancelled. 3 to 4 marks. Then x minus y cube plus y minus z cube plus z minus x cube. Now let us find the value of this. So by first, A plus B plus C is 0. So this will give you A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3 into A. What is A? X square minus y square. Into B, y square minus z square. Into C, z square minus x square. Are you get? Not understood. Okay, see here. A plus B plus C is 0, no? See here. This bracket plus this bracket plus this bracket is 0. A plus B plus C is 0. Then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC. Is 3ABC. In place of A, I will write the bracket value x square minus y square. In place of B, I will write the bracket value y square minus z square. In place of C, I will write the bracket value z square minus x square. It is there, no? Cube. Just see in the question, cube is there. In the question, it is given cube. In the question, it is given cube, no? Yes. Then similarly, x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. So L plus m plus n is 0. So L plus m plus n is 0 means L cube plus m cube plus m cube is 3 into L m into n into n. So what is L? X minus y. So that will be x minus y into m y minus z into n z minus x. So 3 get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. Then what I can write this? Let me write. What is x square minus y square? A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So x square minus y square will be x plus y into x minus y. Y square minus z square, a square minus b square, y plus z into y minus z. Z square minus x square, z plus x into z minus x. Z plus x into z minus x. Are you getting? Upon 3 into x minus y, y minus z. Let me cancel now, or does not matter. This 3 get cancelled. Then x plus y get cancelled. Then sorry, not x plus y, x minus y get cancelled. X minus y get cancelled. This is x plus y. Denominator we have x minus y, numerator we have x minus y, get cancelled. Y minus z get cancelled. Z minus x get cancelled. So what is left? Yes, what is left? Yes. What is left? X plus y. X plus y into y plus z into z plus x. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Is it clear? This is our answer. X plus y plus. No. Denominator nothing will is left. No. So denominator nothing is left means it is 1. So this is the answer. The value of this expression is x plus y into y plus z into z plus x. This is the answer. So yes, so this result you have to remember. Whenever a plus b plus c is 0, if this condition is true, then this is the result. A plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. Similarly, if L plus m plus n is 0, then L cube plus m cube plus n cube is 3lmn. This result you have to use. This part is over, left, right. So this result you have to remember that a plus b plus c is 0. Then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3 into a into b into c, 3abc. Then exercise 5. Mark this as very important exercise. Let us, it is there, evaluate means find. First 0.8 into 0.8, 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 plus 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 upon divide by 0.8 into 0.8 minus 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.5. Evaluate this. Now second, 1.2 into 1.2. No, I will do both the part. 1.2 into 1.2 plus 1.2 into 0.3 plus 0.3 into 0.3 upon 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2 minus 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3, and I will solve both this because these are important questions. So first, let us solve first 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 plus 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 divided by 0.8 into 0.8 minus 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.5. See, don't go directly for multiplication. Yes. No. How you can cancel? See, you can cancel the term of numerator and denominator only when there is multiplication. If there is multiplication, then only you can cancel the term of numerator and denominator. And in numerator and denominator, we have plus minus sign. So how we can cancel the term of numerator and denominator? No. No. Multiplication is there, but there is plus sign. No. If this plus sign is not there, this minus sign is not there, then we can cancel numerator denominator. Yes, so you cannot cancel. Now how we will solve this? Second thing is that don't directly multiply and write the answer. That will not give you full marks. Yes, no, wait. What I will do, I will take, let A is equal to 0.8. This 0.8 I will take A, and B I will take 0. Wait. Yes, wait. No. Don't do that directly that way. First you identify this is this type. I will take A as 0.8 and B as 0.5. So this becomes A into A plus B into B upon A into A minus A into B plus B into B. Is it clear? So A into A means A cube plus B cube upon A square minus AB plus B square. We get this type. A into A means A cube plus B cube upon A square minus AB plus B square. We get this type. Now we have the formula. This formula you have to remember for A cube plus B cube. This formula you have to remember for A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. This formula you have to remember. A cube plus B cube is A plus B into A square minus AB. See how you will remember, there is plus sign, then in this there it is minus. If it is A cube plus B cube, then it is A plus B. If it is plus, the term AB will have minus sign. If it is plus, the term AB will have minus sign. So what is A cube plus B cube upon A square minus AB plus B square? Yes, tell me. What will be this value? A cube plus B cube upon A square minus AB plus B square. What is that? Yes, tell me, what is that? A cube plus B cube. Yes. A cube plus B cube, see here. A cube plus B cube upon A square minus AB plus B square. This term I will divide by this. What is left there? A plus B. What is left there? A plus B. Now what is A? Yes, I am explaining. See, yeah. See, yes. Yes. I am explaining the formula. Let me write one more part. A cube plus B cube is this formula. A cube plus B cube is A plus B into, if it is plus, then along with AB you will have minus sign. So A cube plus B cube. Now I will divide by this, no? Divide by this. A square minus AB plus B square. Then it is A plus B. a cube plus b cube, I will divide by this. It is multiplication, no? So I will take in the denominator this second part. So what is left? A plus b. No, this I am writing in the formula. What is the value of a cube plus b cube upon a square minus ab plus b square? This is nothing but a plus b. So this value is finally a plus b. And what is a? A is 0.8, b 0.5, 0.8 plus 0.5 is 1.3. The answer of this is 1.3. The answer of this is 1.3. No. This side, this value is nothing but a plus b. This value is nothing but a plus b. Let us do the second part. 1.2 into 1.2. Yes, which one? See, again I am telling thee, this is a cube plus b cube upon a square minus ab plus b square. We had the formula for a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. If it is plus, then along with ab you will have minus. This you remember. If it is minus, it will be minus there, but there it will be plus. So a cube plus b cube divide by this, no, a square minus ab plus b square. When you will divide this, what is left there? A plus b is left, no? So what is this value? This value is nothing but my a plus b. But what is a? A is 0.8, b 0.5. So 0.8 plus 0.5 is 1.3. Clear? Yes. Now let us do the second part. 1.2 into 1.2 plus 1.2 into 1.3, 0.3 plus 0.3 into 0.3 upon 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2. Same method, 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. I will take A as 1.2 and B as 0.3. Then I will identify the type. A into A plus A into B plus B into B upon A into A into A, A into A into A, minus B into B into B. Yes, we see the formula. A into yes, A into A square minus A square plus AB plus B square. A into A cube plus A cube minus B cube. Now I have to use the formula. Earlier it was A cube plus B cube. Now we have A cube minus B cube. We use the formula. A cube minus, we write the formula in the box. A cube minus B cube. Yes, no. See, but we have written the formula for A cube plus B cube. Now I will write the formula for A cube minus B cube. So if it is A cube plus B cube, it is A plus B. So if it is A cube minus B cube, it will be A minus B. A cube plus B cube, we write. No. Yes, here I will take the formula for denominator. A minus B. Then A square. If it is A plus B, then along with AB, there it is plus, I will write minus. Now there is minus, so I will write plus AB plus B square. Plus B square. So I will write, now it is A square plus AB plus B square. So I will take this in the denominator. So it will be 1 upon a minus b is equal to a square plus ab plus b square upon a cube minus b cube. Are you getting this, all of you? Are you following? Because see, a minus b I have taken on the other side. So it will go in the denominator. A minus b is in the numerator. So this will go in the denominator. Are you getting? Wait. If you are confused, wait. If you are confused there, you write the formula up to this much. Let us write the formula up to this much. Now let us put the value of a cube minus b cube in this. Let us put the value of a cube minus b cube. So this becomes a square plus ab plus b square divide by a cube minus b cube. I will write this formula: a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. I will write the formula for a cube minus b cube. Does not matter. Now this numerator get cancelled with this term. Are you getting? Numerator is a square plus ab plus b square, and denominator we have written the formula for a cube minus b cube. So what is left? 1 upon a minus b is left, no? 1 upon a minus b is left. Are you getting? Yes, 1 upon a minus b is left. So 1 upon a is 1.2, b is 0.3. 1.2 minus 0.3 is 0.9. 1 upon 0.9, and this is the answer. You can write, how you can write minus 0.9? It is plus 1.2, no? Plus 1.2 is bigger. Plus 1.2 is bigger. So it will be, answer will be plus. You can write 10 upon 9. Come on. Or you can write 1 is to 1 upon 9. Is it clear? 1 is to 1 upon 9. You can write. And this is the answer. Both the exercise 4 and 5, both are important. Let us see the exercise number 6. And 6, yes. This last step. Okay, right side. See, this is a square plus ab plus b square upon a cube minus b cube. Now numerator I have written as it is. Denominator a cube minus b cube. Formula I have written. What is a cube minus b cube formula? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This formula. Numerator a square plus ab plus b square get cancelled with a square plus ab plus b square of denominator. This entire term get cancelled with denominator term. What is left? 1 upon a minus b is left. Is it clear? Are you getting? Okay. So now 6th. If a minus 2b plus 3c is equal to 0. A minus 2b plus 3c is equal to 0. State the value of a cube minus 8b cube plus 27c cube. This type of problem we have already done. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes. Are you following this? See, let me give you the hint. Hint part I will write. A minus 2b plus 3c is 0. Take 3c on the other side. A minus 2b is equal to minus 3c. Not take cube. So a minus 2b whole cube is equal to minus 3c cube. And then use the formula for a minus b whole cube. Further part will be homework. You will get the required answer. No, 3c I have taken on other side, then I have taken cube on both the side. No, then I have taken cube on both the side. Then similarly it will be 7th. 7th is same, there you will take directly cube. 7th you will take directly cube, x plus 5y cube. Yes, 10th I will do. 7th, exercise 7, homework, exercise 8 homework. 8 we have done, similar type. Are you getting 8? Then exercise 9, homework, same type. Now let me do 10th one. You have to rationalize. So you can do one thing. Exercise 9, homework. Eighth one you mark very important. Eighth one you can mark very important. Such type of problems. No, 10th is not important. 11th is not important. Yes. Exercise 8, 9. Exercise 11 same way. I will do 10th. Exercise 10. See this 8th one, let me write the exercise 8. All of you having the textbook or not? Exercise 8, all of you solve. Bye. Now I will start factorization next period. Factorization chapter will start. Yes, we'll start factorization. Bye. Yes, try to solve the homework. Now you stop there. Bye everybody.